Earthquakes, famines. Of course, the whole world is in the process of going down.